So we want to take this a step further and hydro flush the line out for you so you guys are not inconvenienced, you know, no time soon. We're going to put a camera in there too, so we'll be running in and out just to make sure that you ain't got nothing crazy going on in the basement. You do got a basement, right? Okay, yeah. Right on, man. Got dropped.
Bounce what is,
My rib hurt, so I wanted to refrain from laughing. So.
You came to the wrong job, son. Hey, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life.
Right.
That's what I told the kids. And they just love sitting on the couch. That's not fucking what I'm talking about. That wasn't what I meant.
Yeah, I kind of hear it in the stack a little bit.
I got past the transition.
You ain't never used to lift weights or nothing?
Huh?
You ain't never used to lift weights?
No.
You just been always just naturally just strong motherfucker, huh?
Working on shit.
Starting when I was
15. Boss looked over, I weighed like $120 then.
Yeah.
I'm carrying like a long ass walkboard. My boss is like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
That's a 30-foot long walkboard.
It only take one person to carry a ladder.
When it's not perfectly level. That dude's weird.
That's what we were just talking about.
Weird. I needed to hear that. They say his mulch is pretty soft, so. Anytime I second guess myself, I hear Rick's voice in my head. You just get up there, man. Get it over with.
no company motto. It ain't really slick up there. It's flat.
It freaked me out when he was like, man, I'm only down 10 feet. I'm like, oh, fuck, cut this shit off. You're struggling at 10 feet, but then he said, I think I'm at least 20.
You should be at the bottom. I hear it wrecking around it. Feel it right now.
Scott say he think that you passed that sweet. Fuck. Is he down in the basement? You got some bottled waters in there? Alright, it's cool.
See the water moving through it. Planet.
That's why all that sludge is sitting there.
Yep, there's that wire right there.
So I actually seen this hose down here, man. You should have been like, hey, sir, I got a hose. Y'all see the water?
You see the water, but it wasn't coming from the pipe we thought it was going to be coming from the other one. So now we'll
Maybe you see this.
Is there a sink line down there somewhere too?
Over here, it's going for it. Because you got your kitchen sink over there. I just realized that when I walked out, I was like, where's the kitchen sink? It's on that side, so. We're right here right now.
Don't stress, we pull up sleep.
So I guess that was right in there.
Kitchen sink. Kitchen sink's over there. In the back.
So that's where that Y is at.
That Y, yeah. The one side that we can't get into catches a stack in the floor drain. Where we're going is catching for the sink. I figured maybe just run up there with the camera and take a look at it real quick.
Try your best
That's
bet.
to be our quickest, best.
Yeah, I was.
Don't wait till it floods your phone with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove. Drip, 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 drip outside.
First name smart, last name
Don't stress, we pull up sleep. You already know, call liquid.
Hey, bro, it's the heat.
Busted drain, basement sweat from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tied and we're fixing it.
So of course I'm pulling this hydro flush this hose out, right?
Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what folks won't dare to do. That's that good, now that's the way. Got it as soon we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your phone with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up safe. You already know, call liquid. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement sweat from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tied, I'm fixing it all.
It went through.